Imagine waking up tomorrow and robots are everywhere, cooking, driving, even saving lives. Here's the shocking part. This future is already happening. Robots are no longer hidden in factories. They're entering kitchens, hospitals, farms, and even classrooms. Companies like Boston Dynamics, Tesla, and SoftBank Robotics are leading this revolution. But that's not all. Service robots are now delivering food in Tokyo and assisting surgeries in India. Think of robots as powerful teammates. They don't get tired, they don't complain, and they can work with unbelievable precision. What happens next will surprise you. Agriculture robots are planting crops, while AI-powered bots are teaching students. Investors are pouring billions into this future because automation cuts costs and boosts efficiency. Here's the amazing twist. While robots bring benefits, there are risks. Jobs may shift, myths spread, like robots will replace humans completely. The truth? They're designed to assist, not erase us. Next, imagine a world where robots handle dangerous tasks, leaving humans free to be creative. The business impact is powerful. From logistics to healthcare, robots could completely change everyday life. The secret isn't just in machines, but in how they unlock human potential. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights. And tell us, which part of your daily life would you trust a robot with first, and why?